Hey guys, it's Charlene here, makeup artist and beauty guide for Limelight. Let's talk about skin polish, my favorite mask slash scrub. The two stars of the show is the jojoba beads and lemon extract. The jojoba beads really helps to take away any dead skin, and the lemon extract is there to brighten up the skin and remove any dark marks or maybe acne scars or even hyperpigmentation that you may have.
Take about a dime size to a nickel size of the skin polish in your hands. Begin to rub the product on your face in a circular motion. Work one side at a time. Work the other side. Massage the face for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now let the mask sit on your face for another 2 to 3 minutes until it becomes clear-like. You should only see about the beads.
This is the final fresh face once everything is cleaned off and ready to go. Again, just skin looks brighter. Just look at the matteness, the brightness that comes through. I just love skin.